It's your boy JohnOllie. I'm here, still in Atlanta. About to get on the train. I brought this Breeze card because I need to go somewhere. I don't know how this shit works. Alright. And I don't even know if where I'm going is if I'm on the right train or not. But I'm gonna see what happens. Yo, they have soda machines in the subway. Look at that. That's pretty slick. I know I need to go southwest, so I'm assuming I'm gonna take the train southbound and see if this is the right way to go. Subway is pretty quiet. It's kind of like the Los Angeles subway in terms that there's nobody on it. Oh, there's people down here. You can't see your boy JohnOllie don't come to the town and get his gully on. I'll be taking the train. I come to your town and get on the motherfucking train. I'm gangster like that. Recognize. Just like LA. Alright. Took the train to Peachtree Street. Going outside and see where I'm at. Alright, so here I am in downtown Atlanta, y'all. Walking around the streets of the ATL, the A, and I'm actually looking for a CVS. I was told there was one this way, so that's the way I'm going. That's the juke joint. Sweet George's juke joint. I hate coming somewhere and looking like a motherfucking tourist, but you know what? I'm so dope, it don't matter. I used to be nervous about that. And I ain't waiting for the light, so you know I ain't from here. So, oh shit. They got the signs up like they do in LA when they're shooting a movie. This is the Coca-Cola spot is down there. You know, Coca-Cola, this is the home of Coca-Cola. Zoom that back out for you. This is the home of Coca-Cola. So as my time comes to a close here in the great city of Atlanta, I like to tell y'all the 4 things that I've learned most about this beautiful town. 1, the cars, they drive too close to the curb. I don't know why that is, but they do. Number 2, the weather can fool you. I look outside and it's cloudy and it looks gloomy. I throw on a coat, I come outside, it's burning up. Number 3, sanctioned cabs don't all have meters. Anytime I get in a cab that's, you know, that has a valid license, a taxi and limousine license, I expect to see a meter in it. Not all of them do. And number 4, which I find the most endearing and best of all, is that I'm kind of a big deal here in Atlanta. This is the first state, or this is the first city I've been to where a lot of people have recognized me. Who knew? Might have to come back, ATL. So this is your boy JohnOllie signing off here in Atlanta. I'll see y'all at the next stop. One love. Remember, don't be smart. Be genius.